In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog in Wix Studio. Whether you're looking to boost your business, share your thoughts, or just explore a new hobby, adding a blog to your website is an excellent way to engage with your audience and enhance your online presence. Let's embark on this journey step by step, making it as easy and seamless as possible. First, navigate to the homepage of Wix, which is your main control center for all things Wix. If you haven't already set up a blog, don't worry, it's a very straightforward process. Once you're at the Wix dashboard homepage, locate the search bar, which is usually found at the top of the screen. Here you're going to type the word blog. This will streamline your search and bring up all the blog related options available to you within Wix. Next, look for and click on the option that says Wix blog. This section is dedicated to everything you need for setting up and managing a blog within Wix. Clicking on this option will guide you to the blog management interface. If you've already installed the Wix blog application, you might see an open button. Otherwise, you'll encounter an add to site button. Since we're focusing on adding a new blog, let's assume you need to click on add to site. This step will integrate the Wix blog application into your website. The process is usually quick, but it requires a good internet connection. This allows you to seamlessly bring in all the tools you need to craft engaging blog posts, manage them, and check on their performance, all from your Wix dashboard. Once the application is installed and you see the blog settings open in your Wix interface, the world of blogging is at your fingertips. You can begin by customizing your blog pages. You'll find options to choose from existing templates or create your own, personalize the blog layout, and decide how your posts will appear to your readers. Make sure to explore these customization settings to get the look and feel that best represents your style or brand. Setting up a blog on Wix Studio is not just about the technical steps. It's also about understanding how to make your content engaging and visually appealing. So as you proceed, consider what topics you want to cover and how you can interact with your audience. Analyze blog design trends, think about the visual consistency of your page, and consider adding multimedia elements like images and videos to enrich the reader experience. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding a blog in Wix Studio. Whether you're looking to share your expertise, tell a story, or just connect with like-minded people, you now have the tools to start building a vibrant, interactive blog. Happy blogging!